Hello guys, so you all can see me. Like I have made an app, which I could show you. I've made an app from which you all could using a camera. You all could use a virtual keyboard. Here I've made a paper keyboard. So let me just show you all. So as you can know, it's running locally. No videos going on. For testing, I've opened my notepad. Like here, I would write my name, Akshay. Okay, so you can see one hand is right here, and one hand you can see on the camera feed. Okay, so I will write Akshay. Okay, small typo, but it goes. Okay, now I'll write my title. Obviously, Google. Okay, that's DUBY. So he didn't catch. So we'll see. Yeah. So as you all could see, I have made an app. It's working finelessly, and using this technology, we all could make some setup as we can see in Ant-Man 3, where he finds a new element. You all could see the holographic thing. Like there's no wire. Like all of the system is wireless. In air, he's typing things. He's like holding like holograms, rotating things like this. The thing that I've made here is as a one step towards that technology, and the overall functioning of that tech depends on this base. Task file detects by hand, and it uses my camera feed to map objects. Currently, I've mapped the paper page, and I could also map my hand because it's also mapping. You all could see. If I place my finger, it is mapping the index finger as the main pointing device. Okay, wherever I place my index finger, it's working there. Okay, so yeah, that's the kind of tech I want to build. As you can see, Ant-Man 3. The baseline of the tech I have built now. Let's meet in my future and see what I have made. Till then, take care everyone and bye bye.